To you, 25-year-old from Manipur was allegedly attacked by 3 men in Bangalore. Cops have arrested all 3 accused in the case.
I was way back home from my work. While I was going home, I was attacked by 3 persons.
What did they attack?
They start calling me names and they teased the woman who was ahead of me. And I didn't say any word. I just moved ahead, but they keep teasing me, calling me names. I left them behind, but they came after me and they attacked me from behind.
What did they call you?
They call me names, like they call me Chinese and all this stuff, and they start speaking all vulgar language and using all these things. And I just left them. I didn't even speak a word actually. Then I thought they left too, but while I was moving from behind, they attacked me.
Anusha is with me for a fresh input on that story. Anusha, we just heard the victim. He seems to be suggesting that there wasn't any provocation really. There were verbal abuses hurled at him and he was just simply attacked. This looks like yet another case of a youth from Northeast attacked, only because he perhaps seems to be coming from a particular region. Is there a certain angst? Is there a certain bias which the authorities there just seem to deny all the time?
Well, definitely, yes. This is not a one-off incident. This is something that we've seen continuously taking place. It was not the previous incident. It's not even been a month since the previous incident, and here is another such incident. And this time, again, the victim claiming that he was racially abused, slurs were used against him. A case was filed. The family has been told that the arrest has been made, but let me just ask one of the family members of the victim here. I was just asking you now, after multiple incidents such as this, the police, the government has continuously denied that this is, anything to do with racism. Do you still have confidence in the police and the government that they can assure you safety here in Bangalore?
Well, for me, according to me, that it has been happening this continuously. And we've been complaining to the governments because that we trust that our police, because that they has to take legal actions on that. And we have been complaining, but so far that there is no specific action has been taken. And I should say that I am speaking on behalf of our Northeast. We slowly that our confidence in the police has been that so much slack down because that there is no action has been taken. Even last night in the case of the Samuel, and he was fully bleeding, and the police has been they have not taken any actions on immediately, but they just take him to interview about him, and the person who is dying has not been cared in the police stations. So it's a very embarrassing for the Northeast people because he's not attacked because of he has not fought with anyone, but he was that they're teasing him as a chinky or a Chinese, and then a guy who is innocent has been attacked. So it has been that continue in this Bangalore city, and according to us and even myself, that I've been here for many years in Bangalore, it's approximately 21 years now, but I've seen that the police never have taken that a strong action on this.